So this jacket is fire. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my edges, because as y'all know, if y'all are here from Snapchat or Facebook or Instagram, it don't even matter. Y'all know I've been doing this baby hairless look, but now I want to be like, I want to be a baddie. Now I want to have edges. So I'm about to show you what I do. First, I'm gonna spray my edge brush with, this is just water, and I'm gonna brush the perimeter just so I can loosen up like the edges and stuff. Spray some more water. I have a question. Do y'all like this setup better than my first setup in my first video, or do you guys like that setup better? Which setup do y'all like better? Or do y'all not like either one of these? Y'all want me to do something different? I'm working on like getting a backdrop and stuff, but for now that's what I gotta deal with. So now I'm just gonna part out, you know, some hairs. And as y'all can see, I didn't like cut anything yet, so this is gonna be great. I'm going to clip the rest of this, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this little razor and I'm going to cut the baby hairs shorter, but not too short. This blade is actually kind of dull, that's why it's taken me a couple of tries just to cut the hairs. So I guess it's not kind of dull, I guess it's really dull. You could also take scissors, to be honest. I don't know why I didn't take scissors and use them. Okay, and I'm not gonna cut the rest right now. I'm gonna cut it as I go. I'm gonna take my pink Eco Styler. Really, you could just use whatever gel you want to. I'm just using this because like this is pretty much empty and I want to get rid of it, and the way that I get rid of it is by doing my edges. So you just swoop the hairs how you want them, and it takes a couple tries. Like I might have to, not I might, because I know myself, I'm going to be going back in and like kind of fixing the edges how I want them and stuff, because it does take a couple of tries. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, mamacitas. I'm gonna use my broken mirror again so I can see myself better. And I'm going to cut the excess hair from my baby hairs. So I just cut this off. Sometimes you don't need to, but always for this part I always like to make sure like the baby hairs, the amount that I have is exact, because I don't know, the middle just acts dumb sometimes. You guys see how nice my skin looks from video 1 compared to this video? I'm not hearing it. My skin looks so good. Okay, now I want to do these baby hairs. Ooh. I'm gonna use my scissors this time because my razor is like pretty much, it's dead. Put some gel on my edge brush, and I use like the tiniest amount. Like y'all can't really see it, but that's how That's how much I use. Barely anything. I don't know if this is the hair or if it's the gel that's making these edges lay so nice. And I'm gonna bring some of this hair out. This is my sideburns. I'm gonna take another clip. And I'm gonna put it right there. Then I'm going to take the end of these edges. I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut. Hold on, I'm gonna use this to help me. See, because I almost cut something that I should have never even thought about cutting. So okay, time for the other side. So pull out the hairs that you want. Cut them with your razor or your scissors. This side of my face is way better than this side. Like, I just have to point that out. I'm gonna pull my sideburns out so that I can know where to stop this this swoop. See, it keeps taking my little sideburn away. Like, stop. Y'all could see my sideburns getting lost in the sauce, but I'm gonna fix that. Before I do fix that, I'm going to finally like really set my edges with some mousse. I love putting mousse on my edges because it really helps them just to stay. Girl, let me tell you, got to be made a mousse. This mousse is fire. I love it. It smells good. It smells like apples. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna put this on my edges. Oh, hold on. Let me just put it in my hand. It's not working. So it came out wrong. So what I'm gonna do is gonna dip my finger in. I'm just gonna put it on the edges. I'm also gonna put it right here because I'm going to hot comb that part of my hair. Oh man, I can't believe it didn't come out right. I wanted y'all to see. Then I'm gonna go over my edges again. Just kind of finalizing it. Now, if you don't like that look where it's like your edges are just like they're laid and you like them to be kind of loose, you can go back in with water after they dry, of course, and loosen it up. This is so annoying. That's really how I do my edges, but along with my edges, like I said, I also hot comb my hair, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So first I put some mousse because I love putting mousse before I hot comb. If you don't have mousse and you have a slick stick, you could use a slick stick. I love using this too, but since I was doing my edges with mousse, it kind of just made sense. If you don't have either one of those, you can use a gel. That could work too. Just be really, really super careful. You want the gel to dry first and then do it. So my hot comb is on 30 right now. For my sideburns, oh, I gotta be careful. Guys, I'm nervous. Let me do this side first. This video is 17 minutes. What did I do in 17 minutes, bro? Okay, for my sideburns, I'm going to hot comb the sideburns down. I'm going to be really careful. Reason why I'm hot combing it is because they're not really staying the way that I want to on its own. So I'm thinking the heat is going to help. Oh, y'all don't know how scared I am. Other side, other side. This side is harder. I'm gonna do this side off camera because like it's so much harder to do this side because I'm right-handed. So I'll be back. Okay, so I did that part. Now to get to the part that's really close to your ear, I'm gonna turn my hot comb upside down, and then I'm just gonna go in like that. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I'm going to do a final comb through of the parts that I hot combed, just to make sure, you know, like I can still comb through it. Okay, after all of that, my edges should be dry, so I'm gonna check them, and if there's any pieces like sticking up, I'm gonna take some black Got To Be, put it over those pieces. Now, as y'all can see, oh, why is my nose so itchy? Okay, as y'all can see, like, I lost some of the definition in my curls. So I'm going to spray it with water and go through it with my Denman brush. This hair is pretty good at holding its curls, but just to help, I'm gonna put a little bit of this black gel in it. Like when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit, because I don't want it to be crunchy or anything. And that is how I do baby hairs, because so many of you guys asked me. That's how I do it. Get a closer look. Ooh, why my lace look like that? Ignore, ignore, ignore. Ignore. Thank you, lovely people, for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.